Don't know what it is. Don't want to get hung up. Steve AB4L saying see you in 73. Well, folks, I took a break and it's right there. Now that will give you a feeling for how far backed up whatever it, oh, the car's down off the road to the right. That curve I came around down in the gully is where the car went. So the traffic backup that you saw, look at the clock, I'll show you the clock numbers, values. I took a detour, I went to Riverside Park, I did my Health Heart climb, came back to the car and came up this way, not thinking that it actually would be here. And this is where the accident was that was holding up the traffic for a mile back. And I hope, all I can hope is for the best of whoever was involved. And thank you to the folks who come out to help us when we get into trouble. Steve AB4L saying see you in 73.